Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading for the month of July. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Ooh, in your love life you've got the 4 of stars and the Knight card. Before I move forward, there are a few signs which are popping up and I would like to inform you those. Now, don't get too fixated on them, but yes, they're popping out. So I want to tell you it's a Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Aries, and Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. It can be in your own birth chart or in your partner's birth chart as well, or in your colleague's birth chart as well, the people you're dealing with. Okay, I come to that. First, in your love life, I do see that there is somebody who has really hurt you. Probably they did not choose you or cheated on you, lied to you, left you, right? You have been crying a lot. You have been really hurt. I can see tears. I can see a lot of pain in your heart that you're carrying. And I also see a distance and separation. So this week you can experience a breakup. You can experience a distance, emotional or physical. Probably you separate and you both decide to sleep in different houses, different rooms, or this is a long distance relationship as well. I do see that the partner that you're dealing with is kind of immature. They can be immature as compared to your maturity levels, or they can be really younger in age. This person likes to be the center of attention and they will go wherever they get a lot of attention. So till the time this marriage, this relationship or situationship was giving them attention with no strings attached kind of situation where they did not have to take any responsibility, accountability, or answerability. That is why they were very happy. The whole reason when you started demanding them commitment, marriage, responsibility, accountability, they ran away. They ran in the opposite direction, right? So you are dealing with somebody who never had any intentions of committing to you like a full time relationship. They were only there because they were either getting attentions, their status was increasing, or because you were showering them with a lot of unconditional love without expecting anything in return. But now that you have changed or you have leveled up or you have high expectations from them, they ran away. Okay, this is what is happening in your love life this week. Let's see what's going to happen in your career. You've got the Two of Spades, the Pope card, and the Devil card. My dear, my dear, my dear. Scorpio. I do see there have been a lot of blockages and hurdles in your career as well. Things have not been smooth, no matter which job or business or studies you're doing. It's just not smooth, It's just not like how it is for your friends or family, right? I do see that in every step you had to work harder to achieve success. You were probably hoping for some things to change in your life, in your career, probably to be on a better position or a better uh, m- money or salary. But I do see there is a lot of toxicity around you. It can be a person, it can be an evil eye, it can be a supernatural being as well, which is stopping your growth. Uh, well, I don't usually use the word of, supernatural, but I have started believing in it more than you can think. I do feel that all that exists, and this can be the devil energy, which is denoting the presence of somebody who's toxic, okay, person or otherwise. But definitely, these people, if I talk about people, can be your own friends or family or business partner as well, who doesn't want you to grow. So kindly refrain from sharing anything which you think can attract evil eye or which you think can be taken away. If you're sharing two dark secrets with your friends and family supposedly or your business partners, please know that they do not have your best intentions and they are going to uh, take away everything from you very soon. The whole reason where you cannot grow is because maybe they are the ones who's giving the company a negative feedback, or who is taking that job away or that money away from you, or just giving you simple plain evil eye, right? If you can cut these negative people out of your life, that will be the best. But if you cannot, you have to maintain distance with them. Do not share your finances, your future plans, what you're planning to do, your change of plans, how much savings is there in your bank, how many properties you have with anyone. Please, for God's sake, each one of you just stop doing that. You don't know who is who. This can be a controlling person, abusive person. This can be a person who's pretending to be your friend, but he or she is actually a snake. So please be very careful. This can be a Capricorn Sun Moon rising as well. Not necessary, this can be other signs also. This can be your own bosses or colleagues as well. Somebody you really trust or think that what will they achieve, out of, by not giving me this opportunity. But no, they just don't like you, right? Or they just cannot stand you being happy for very simple reason, because they want everyone to be under them. It can be just as plain simple as that reason. So, but you have to be very careful this week. Scorpios, if I look at your overall week, your personal life as well as your career looks very challenging to me. I know this is going to be a tough week for you, so I want you to wear your bravest hat and be strong. Just follow the guidelines that I've told you. And if you resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please hit a like button and subscribe to this channel so that you can get your readings in advance and you're prepared on how to handle the situations, and you'll thank me later. Leave a comment in the comment box and let me know your situation. I'll be reading all your comments and liking and replying to them as well. This was a general reading. If you have very specific questions regarding your situation, you can go ahead and book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. I have a host of services available, including powerful, easy, and cheap budgeted rituals as well as counseling sessions. You are free to just book a counseling session with me and share your burdens with me, and with the help of your angels I will be guiding you with a remedy as well. So check out the description box, and to make any booking you can email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle Lamoksha Tarot. Please guys also follow me on Instagram. Show some love to that new channel and this channel as well, because I keep on posting the prices on a daily basis on my stories there on Instagram, so that it's easy for you. You don't have to type an email just to know the price or DM me just to know the price, right? Otherwise, of course, you can do that. So yes, take care of yourself. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.